All right, guys, welcome back to guys over here. Up here. Boys, got a new microphone. Spending all my YouTube money on this shit. Quality up, bank account in debt. But look, it's been a while and it's time to address the elephant in the room. That's a green screen. I can edit. Look, merch drop. We're picking up very soon. It's kind of like we're picking up literally a day before it drops because that's just kind of how it fell in line. We're getting more t-shirts because the last drop sold out in literally 11 minutes. So when this video is coming out, the t-shirts are out. So go right now and shop Webbies if you want a tee. Pick one up. It's the exact same diner design. Front, back on a black t-shirt. So if you want one, make sure to go cop one. All right, so for the most part, the 335 is literally just taking up garage space in here because we got Chinese tires up front. And that's because, as many of you guys have commented, the front wheels are just way too big. It's 265s up front, and that's just way too much tire for what we need up front. So I'm dropping down to a 235. I actually got tires coming in today, and I got my new rims, which is literally the same AH02 odd hand wheels, just 8.5 width up front. So we're doing the same 9.5s in the rear, but we're moving down to 8.5s up front, so that way it'll fit and we'll get an actual proper staggered wheel setup. But the one thing we are going to address this video that's really been bad for a while is these stupid ass lines. If you guys remember a few videos back when we put these oil cooler lines in, they came pre-fitted with the fittings on there, so they had to be this long. It's too much. It literally looks like this bitch has whiskers on it, and it actually is slowly pushing in my radiator, which is causing it to leak coolant, which is, you know, we love that, but it just looks like shit. I'm gonna be honest.
Yo, if I do this without getting any oil on my hand, you have to subscribe. God damn it. How about you just do it because you feel bad anyways?
You guys know how dads are in their driveways. This literally might be the last Wyatt Webster upload ever. We got all the black lines in there, all cut up and fitted nicely. Now, it is a little difficult with this front mounted oil cooler, like where to go about putting it. Never hate on a zip tie. Good enough to where it won't wiggle around. I'm glad I went with the black and red fittings though to match a lot better. God damn, boy. Adding our oil back in there. All right, as you guys can see, it is too dark, but we are done with the car. We're gonna be respectful from our neighbors, and we're not gonna start it. Just being a good neighbor for once. I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, it's the next morning. Oh my God, it just backfired. Valvetronic, hook your boy up. This shit's ridiculous. All right, well, let's pray to God that I did the oil lines right so that way we don't have any oil leaks. We're gonna go on a little coffee rip. Holy shit. I got like Chinese tires up front right now, so it kicks out like no problem. So it's really sketchy right now. Holy shit. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. With the tire setup right now, it makes this thing feel like 2,000 horsepower because it kicks out like it ain't shit. Every time I roll the window down, it sounds like I shit myself. Little 5-0 snack rolling up. Dude, I don't know if I can race anyone with this setup right now, I'm not gonna lie. It gets way too squirrely. Sounds like an animal though. Dude, not even at 60 miles an hour it can hold traction. I really gotta wait till I get these new wheels. Time for Wyatt to get his white girl coffee. It used to be white monsters that I was addicted to, and then it was peach Red Bulls, and now we're on the Wawa coffee obsession. I don't know why. Shorty stay in my DMs. She kinda fine too. This car still surprises me every time I drive it. I ain't gonna lie to you, this shit's smoking like really bad. Let me see this. Like, look, it's smoking so bad.
Get the fuck you, boy! Yeah. Fuck you, son! Man, hit this bitch. Man, we finally caught that mother. Finally. And we got his car. Well, boys, believe it or not, we might be back. Mike, it's a possibility. Oh my God, this bitch is sketchy.
Man, the kid, Carson.
We're fucking back.
We're gonna take him on a new rip on the 19Ts. They're a little I'm not gonna lie. Masons, we're gonna get there later. You guys have been having a lot of questions about the whereabouts of his 335.
It's going.
It's
going.
It's more of a skateboard than a vehicle at this point. But,
well, it's about to be a movie theater.
Hold on. A lot of y'all thought Mason had the Mustang. Carson, what happened, buddy?
Had one, man.
Man, what happened to it?
Went bad.
What done happened?
12 got me.
12 got Carson, so now he's whipping a Kia, but it's all good.
He had a Duramax.
You had a Duramax too.
Still got it. Just a piece of shit.
All right, we're about to take him on a ride in the world's sketchiest 335 currently. It sounds crazy as f though, like
No, it does sound insane.
but it's like, it's not good.
It's scary.
Imagine you went down the road and crashed immediately. That's the way back in the video. Back in the 335. You know, it's been a little
Well,
bit.
this thing is the sketchiest thing I've ever been in my entire life.
Now let's go. Come on, going in there.
Well, something happened. It's not a sight for sore eyes, that's for sure.
Watch the code.
There's not much of steel here.
Well, yeah, what are y'all gonna get here?
Paperweight.
Hey, that's a paperweight.
So what are we doing? What's happening here?
Probably just gonna throw the thing away, to be real honest with you. But if we don't do that,
Let's pop the hood. See what's going on here.
oh, she's
It's been sitting in here for like 30 years. Yup, that's about sums it up right there.
That's what I'm hissing at you.
What?
Okay.
What?
Dude,
What?
Yeah, something was
That
hissing.
was a f***ing man.
Dude, what were you stepping on?
We had a snake in there?
That sounded like a snake.
Oh my god!
You're a fucking cocksucker, ain't you?
Oh man.
What is it? Oh. Ooh. Alright, so this is where the old legendary N54 is sitting.
I wouldn't call it legendary. There's here are my friends.
Oh yeah, they're good.
My friends. Yep. Because
If you look, there ain't much there.
no,
It's now a 328i.
it'd be that if it started.
Alright, let's go to the trunk. That's where the rest of his car is at.
Oh, so-
Oh,
Oh man, we're not getting in there anymore. I think the key's in it.
no exhaust either, right?
Do have a flat tire.
And a flat tire. Car's just been marinating over here. Oh, it's in it.
There it is.
19Ts. The more I drive on mine and the more I look at Masons, I realize 19Ts, I don't know if they're really the move. It's like, you get a good maybe month or so out of them.
That's it.
Also, people have ran 19Ts and 17Ts and are good. They're just probably not dummies installing them like us. So maybe that's where we're going wrong, but you gotta factor in that we're installing them. So I think it's time to go some big single turbo kits. And then we're bringing this back to the dirt track, huh?
Yeah, then there's mud tires on it. This thing's not, it's not gonna be no fucking drag car. It's gonna be a dirt car.
It's gonna be a dirt car.
Dirt car.
All right, so what's the game plan though?
We need turbos.
That's
We need
step one?
trans. That's all she wrote.
That's it. Turbo and trans, what it
2
needs.
prayers.
And maybe 3. Well, there it is.
If anybody wants to come by, 25 grand.
25 grand.
It's got 74,000 miles on it. Come get it.
Unharmed miles too, like.
It's garage kept. You can see
Yeah,
that.
you guys can see it's been garage kept real nice.
All its life. It's never been a ditch.
Never been on a dirt track. No rocks. Here she goes again. No strippers.
No strippers.
So, to answer your guys' question where it's been there. Literally right
With
there.
the fellas.
Yeah, with the guys.
And we keeping an eye on it. 4 eyes.
Everybody's got jokes, huh? Look how big his head is compared to his body. Look at him. Look at that fucking melon. Give him a hat. See if
We
it
weren't
fits.
even talking about you. We were talking
We're
about
talking about the deer.
4-eyed piece of fuck.
How's the deer got 4 eyes?
Because there's 2 of them.
2 more over there. Touch me, bitch.
Oh, what?
If you want to get a video of him getting his fucking ass whipped, you can fucking take it.
Carson needs a Mustang back.
I need parents with a lot of money. Anybody got something for me?
Well, if it ain't one, it's the motherfucking other. First off, this car starts hella sketchy sometimes, like it does not sound safe. This morning I was going to work and it misfired like crazy. She's got her first check engine light. This new mic shit is kind of weird. Tell me if you like it. Tell me I'm not like top 3 smartest YouTubers on the platform. That's why I said top 3. She ain't going nowhere. Looks like this thing has never been changed before. And it's not getting changed today, I can tell you that. You know, Wyatt Webster, the car guy, he's gonna do oil change, coolant flush, all that when he gets a new car. Of course you would. Yeah, this is the first thing I've ever done to this car. Other than this, all I've done is put gas in the car. That's literally it. Never did oil change, never did nothing. So the coil packs look like coil packs, so that's good. This thing starts in the misfire, then we'll be all right. All right. Let's pray this shit works. I ain't get this M Performance tag for an X3 for nothing. Yeah, boy. I don't know. Seems to be running good.
Diamonds ain't heavy, I don't got no balance. Fuck on that bitch, I get up in the palace. I do the Percocet, don't fuck with Xanax, but kids don't do drugs.